1, the problem goes like this. Draw a picture of the atom that shows where the protons, neutrons, and electrons are in an atom of helium-4. Use a small unfilled circle for a proton, a small filled circle for a neutron, and E- for each electron. Of course, the nucleus will appear much larger in your picture than it really is, but that's okay. Okay, so each circle is a proton, each unfilled circle. Each filled circle is a neutron, and E- is an electron. And this is for helium, and just let me double check. It says helium-4. And helium-4 is going to be an atom that has 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and an atom has the same number of neutrons, or sorry, of protons and electrons because it has no charge. Protons are... Yeah, question.
What question is this? Is this 1?
Yes, this is 1.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, no, so I'm going to try and note the question up here. This is homework 02-01. And then, and different people may have different versions of this question, but hopefully answering one of the versions will allow everybody to answer the question correctly. Now, as far as pictures of the atom go, so atoms are spheres, and on a 2-dimensional page, we're going to draw an atom as a circle. You can also draw it as a sphere too by trying to draw in the 3rd dimension. And the point of this is to get an idea of how big the atom is and what's where in an atom. And if we were to draw the nucleus of this atom, it would be a very small portion. It would be about the nucleus would be in the center, and it would be about 1,000 times smaller than the radius of the atom and hold only a tiny portion of its volume. Now, and so instead of drawing it just as a dot, though, I am going to draw protons and neutrons. And so I'm going to draw them two protons. Those are going to be the open or unfilled circles, and 2 neutrons. And this is helium-4, by the way. And we've got 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons. But these 4 particles, the 2 protons and 2 neutrons, will be much smaller, so much smaller than they're drawn there. And then the electrons should be in the rest of the space, so E-, and I like to draw them zipping around, and they could be going any direction, the same direction, other directions, and this is a schematic picture of the atom, which means it is just one way of representing it to help us think about atoms. And let's see, no questions in the chat. So yeah, so that is a picture of a helium-4 atom. Are there any questions about that? Okay, if not,